Okay, so let's start with the next one. In this problem, let's read it. We have longest common prefix. Write a function to find the longest common prefix string amongst an array of strings. If there's no common prefix, return empty. Okay, we have to look at the first characters, maybe then second. That's interesting. How can we do that? We can just look at all of them's first ones, then second ones. Can we do something like this? For I in range a length of the first string, let's say the first string, because it cannot be bigger than the first one, I guess. We have some viewers. Thank you for viewing my stream. You are my first viewer. Thank you. If you are really a viewer. Okay, let's continue. If it's in, let's say, if uh, the zero strings ith element is equal to, I have to do something like length. I have to find the minimum length. Minimum of length of 0, 1, and 2. 1 and 2. Okay, we have the length is equal to 1's I, and 1 is equal to seconds. Continue. Else return I. Should I return? No, I shouldn't return. Break as return. I will take this and return. How to do that? Does it? I think it will work. Something like this. Yeah, let's try this. I will return the first strings until ith elements. I will get the length of them at the first line. Then I will iterate through the list. Okay, I have an error. Oh, okay. It shouldn't be 3. It can vary. Then how? Oh, it says 3, I guess. No? Oh, it can be up to 200. Then it changed everything. My solution for I in range length of, let's say, count should be equal to length of, then count. Okay, length. Firstly, length is, let's say, can I write inf? Let's look at it. Inf in Python. How to write inf float? Okay. Okay, let's say if count eşit eşit 0 and I return empty, else the length eşittir this, then length and okay, I did something wrong. This one. No, not this one. This one. Okay, we take the length, then for the length, if then for j in range, for each one I should check range length -1. Right? Should I do -1 or should I do range length? It should. No, I will check always. Yeah, yeah, that's enough. Let's continue. Make it 0. If the jth one, ith one equals to j plus 1. Let's try this one. I think it should work, but my brain just melted. I'm just too sleepy, so okay, it didn't work. Why didn't work? J1, j plus 1, 1. Index out of range. How can it be out of range? It should be length. So can you print me this j? J and I. I think I can print like this. Yeah. In J2, it gives me error. Why? Oh, I think it should be count, right? That's the mistake. I believe that's the mistake. Let's comment out this one and try one more time. Yes. Can I submit it? No. It's why it should output this. What's this my it should output how can I do this? If the count is 0, so it's enter that state. Can I try this? No. Okay, in this test case, does it enter here? Here? Will it enter here? Can I check test case 3? No, he didn't print anything. So, what is the count in here? So, it should be 0. Doesn't it 0? Yeah, it's 0. Why its count is 1? There's nothing in here, like... Okay, if then... Okay, I will do else if it's written as elif, I guess. Elif it's 1, then I will return the length of the first one. Yeah. No, I will return not length, just the first one. So, okay. It's a little bit brute force solution, but it didn't work anyway. No, it's fun. Sorry about my mistake. Let's try again. It's still wrong answer, bro. It shouldn't return null. It should return empty string. Will it work? Can I do something like this? No, we cannot. It still fails in this. How to fix that? I don't really know. So null to empty string Python. How to convert that? Hmm. Not none. The output's null. Does null and none is same? Let's try this. Turn this if input is none as turn if does something like that works. Yeah. Let's try this. What he will enter here and return, right? It worked. Why it didn't go in here and return? It's still outputs return. It's not outputs return. The outputs null. Is null, I think. Yes. Okay, then return string. Let's try this for the last time. I believe the error is happening because it never enters the as part. It's true to end ends it. Yeah, the error is that. If it's ended, then I should find the shortest one. And we have the shortest. It should be 0 initially. And I will do something like if like this. Okay, I think it should be correct now. I will correct this. It should be bigger than. If it's bigger than, it should be changed and shortest should be equal to I. Then we will do I. And it should be the correct result. Oh no. Yes, no. I'm gonna scream. Like really, I'm gonna scream. Can I see print shortest? Why does it change it? The shortest one is this, obviously. Okay, for I in range count. Count is not 1, count is 2. So it goes here, 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 here. We are in here. Then length is, okay, I think this is correct. Please, Please be correct, man. Please. Why am I doing wrong? Okay, just be calm and do it. Just calm and do it. I think I can do it. If the length is bigger than the height one, the count. Okay, count. Count doesn't affect us. If height element is smaller, then length change to height element, and shortest will be height element. But it never goes here because there's no print. So there's something wrong in here, but what is wrong? I want to see something. Can I say DeepSeek solve it? Let me do something. I will fix these codes. I will show it to you. I don't know why can't I show it to you. Let's see. You cannot see it. Why you can't see this? Okay, let's do this. No, no, you cannot see anything. Okay, now you can see it. What does it change? Let's first try. Is it correct? Okay. Let's see. Uh, Let's do this. I want to see whether he's doing a great job or not. Okay, he did it, and it's the best solution. What does it change? Find the short string. Okay, enumerates. Okay, he did the same thing, but in the better way. Let's see what he explained us. Solve it. And it's here. Okay. Simplify the initial checks. Yes. And okay. I didn't know this one. It's really a good way. Main comparison logic to compare each element of search string with corresponding. Okay, he changed the comparison. He make it. How does it do that? Shortest string. Okay, he compared shortest with other ones. Then returned it. Yeah, that makes sense. It's very simplified. Yeah, it didn't check all of them continuously. I checked all of them with all of them. It just lost time for us, but it did better job. Let's see this solution. An alternative one. It's sorted. And it sorts. Why do you sorts? I I don't understand it. Let's see. Get the first one and the last one. Okay. Okay, that makes sense as well. It's just sorted and compared first one with the last one. So it didn't have to check all of them. Yeah, I think that's more elegant way to solve. I think that's better. So thank you if you watched the whole solution. I hope you will continue watching me. Bye bye.